ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So first let me show you the tiers of leaf. So any leaf, whether it is a dicot or mono, we have in our textbook dicot leaf. Because why it is called the dicot leaf? Monocot leaf. Do you know the difference, ma? This is out of the subject, it's not there for you, because there are two leaves, ma. Dicot and monocot leaves. See, dicot leaves, they will be having the dorsal and ventral sides, something like this. They will be having this type of veins like that, right? It's called reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Simply, if you see any leaf like this, it's a dicot leaf. Okay. The dicot leaves will have the reticulate, something network like this. Ela undi network la unda? Ledu kada, lekapaina unda ade. Okay, so all dicot plants will have this venation. So coming to monocot, we have seen some leaves, but we don't know whether it is dicot or monocot. So monocot leaves will be having in our home, we'll be having lily leaves, lily plant, or simply example or grasses like this. Parallel venation. So the veins present in it, they are parallel. Okay, you can take even the examples also for dicot: mango, guava, okay, rose, all dicot. Like for monocot example, lily or any grass, and rice, wheat, everything, sugar, all these are monocots. Okay, so all these are the monocot, and simply by seeing the roots also we can tell. With the roots, the dicot plants will have the tap roots. Okay, means they'll be having so branches, tap roots they'll be. So long also, monocot one will be having short roots, adventitious roots, short or adventitious, not exactly adventitious, we can also tell fibrous roots. Correct one is fibrous. Some will have the adventitious, but fibrous is the correct one. Okay, fibrous means like fibers, like this, all fibers, like a thread like connection, threads, fibrous. Taproot, it will be like this. Okay, primary root, tertiary root. Okay, primary, secondary, tertiary, like this. This is the taproot. So just by seeing the leaf itself, we can say which root it is. So in your textbook, we have this one, dicot. So what is their tiers means? What is tiers? Tiers means transverse section. When you transversely do cut like this, okay, if you see in microscope, we will exactly see the diagram over there. So that diagram I am going to explain it now.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
So, ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? When did you see? Have you seen any time? Okay. So, can you draw along with me? So, when you draw along with me, right, you'll get practice. So, this is the outer epidermis. Outer epidermis, upper, lower portion. This is the lower epidermis. Okay. So, outside we will be having the cuticle here. So, epidermis is surrounded by the cuticle. So when you do a transverse section like this, we'll get a figure like this. Okay, upward, upper epidermis means upside like this, ventral. Okay, dorsal. So ours is ventral, whatever face present towards the ventral side. So our backbone is our dorsal side, but to the leaf, this is the leaf, right? For this leaf also ventral. Okay, the face which faces the light is the ventral, back side dorsal. For human being, where the face is present, ventral, okay, backbone is your dorsal. Backbone is your dorsal. So we need to know even that also. So this is the upper epidermis. Upper epidermis, my children. It is upper, so it's called upper epidermis. Upper epidermis is covered by thin layer. What's that layer? Cuticle. Cuticle only. Okay? So cuticle antaru. Okay na? Lower side em untundi? Lower epidermis untundi. Obviously kada, upper unte upper, lower unte lower. So this is the cuticle. So what is the tissue present in it? So the rest over thing is the mesophyll tissue. So in mesophyll it is differentiated into two types. Okay, spongy parenchyma, palisade parenchyma. Okay, first we'll be having the parenchyma like this. This is the palisade. To the upper side we'll be having this palisade parenchyma, and to the lower end like this. Okay. This is the not regular, means irregular one, like this is the palisade parenchyma. Next one, this is the spongy parenchyma. Okay. In the midween region we'll be having the vascular bundle. Okay, up xylem. Okay, this is a xylem. Xylem should be like this. Okay, some half benzene shape like that. And kinda em untundi phloem. Phloem should be half circles. So this is the xylem, and this is the phloem. All together we call it as vascular bundle. So vascular bundle itself, okay, helpful for the transport of food as well as the water. Xylem speciality, xylem help for water transport, phloem food. It's like a connection, it's like just connection. Root, it's like continuous system. Okay, root, shoot, leaf, flowers. Like we have also circulatory system, right? Heart pumps blood to all organs also, same as it is with the help of the veins. Here xylem vessels, they transport the water. Manalo ela untundi circulatory system akkadakada agipotunda. Continuous, isn't it right? The same thing over here. Even the leaf or plant also will have the continuous system. Okay? If you want to know detail about the plant, you need to take the BPC. Okay? When you take admission, then here in this college, you can see me. Okay, you can listen to my lectures. Okay, on the plant. Okay, so this is the TS of the leaf. TS of leaf, transverse section of leaf. So upper epidermis, the upper epidermis is single layer, it is covered by the cuticle. Epidermis is for the protection. Cuticle is like very thin waxy layer for the protection, and down followed by the lower epidermis. Okay, this is also single layer and it is also same covered with the cuticle, and if you just leave these two things, upper and the lower one, the present inside, emuntundi inside? Palisade, parenchyma. It's palisade, parenchyma here is regular, ela undi? Like nuts, right? Here there will be regular, means no irregularity. Okay, no here we always be regular to our classes, right? Some not. So like that, they are regular, means in a line, row, pattern. We can simply say pattern. Okay, spongy means here irregular one, middle. We will be having the vascular bundle, xylem. Xylem is for the water conduction, phloem is for the food conduction. Okay, so in the mesophyll itself will be having the chloroplast. Manaki chloroplast ekkada untundi? Vintam, chloroplast, chlorophyll, right? So the chloroplast is present in the mesophyll. So gunshot one. So where the chloroplast is present? So leaf, inside the leaf we will be having a mesophyll tissue. In mesophyll tissue, chloroplast, inside the chloroplast, chlorophyll pigments. Okay, it can, this is the diagram, right? It can be asked for the 2 marks question, so important diagram. Okay, and to the lower side you see some cells like this. So these are the guard cells, not guard, security guard. We will have the security guards. Endukuntai security guards for protection, right? So here this not like that. Here also some guard cells will be for space. There will be some space here. That space is called the stomata, where transpiration will happen. Transpiration in the sense exchange of gases, carbon dioxide or oxygen. Okay, transpiration. So for that purpose the stomata will be there. It's just simply like a pore. It is guarded by the guard cell. Towards the lower side only the stomata will be very more number compared to upper epidermis, because there will be loss of water vapor from the down side only. Okay, transpiration is nothing but the loss of water vapor from the leaf. Okay, so that's it about the brief explanation of the leaf, TS of leaf. Okay, transverse section. T for transverse here, transverse, adanga, horizontal. Okay, upper epidermis, lower epidermis, mesophyll, and the vascular bundle, finish there, close it there. Okay, so since we have completed even the chloroplast also, sorry, TS of leaf. Next we have to do the chloroplast.